Hey guys, another video. I was just thinking about the upper console, if I should order one that's already built by a vendor, or should I try to do it myself. I kinda like making my own things, just because it gives you more satisfaction, and I think that's what it's all about in building these replicas or any project really. So I'm thinking I'm gonna build, at least try to build up a console. And what I also have came up with, I built a entire board with electronics, which I have on my Facebook page, with fingerprint, voice recognition, and also with face recognition and keycard. Yeah. So once I build this console here, upper console, I will be using a fingerprint to activate it, or at least activate the car. There's really cool things you can do with Arduino, and I have this entire schematic I built on my page, so if you guys are interested, join my page and see what I come up with. I think it's gonna be cool. At least I try it. Okay, see you guys.